Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. And today we're making another pasta dish. And I know you're probably thinking, Miss D, all this pasta, all this ramen. Listen, I love it. The heart wants what it wants, or the stomach rather. So we're gonna start with boiling some noodles, macaroni noodles, or you can use whatever pasta you want. I added some butter and a little bit of milk. I'll tell you why in a little while. But I have some green peppers, onions, corn, mushrooms, and tomatoes that I'm going to saute in some butter. Oh, I love vegetables. You actually could just eat these by themselves and skip the whole pasta part. But we're just going to saute it on low. And now we'll talk about the pasta. So the starch from the pasta as it cooks will end up thickening your milk or water, and then you don't have to use flour or like a roux to thicken your sauce. So it's just like a easy way to make a cheese sauce. But I just added some Colby Jack and some Velveeta, but you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. And I didn't drain the water out, as you can see. And I'm just going to let the cheese thicken up that cheese sauce. And after the noodles and the vegetables are done, we're just going to mix them all up together and have a bite. It would be great if you added some chicken to this. Seafood would be great, like some shrimp or something like that. Maybe even a lobster. But it was just something quick and easy to do. It might also be great if you have any kids to try to sneak a little veggies inside their pasta. But I rather enjoyed this, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check the description box below because I'll put the recipe and my social media links down there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button beside the subscription button so that you can get notifications of when I post, and I will see you guys in the next video.